I will tell you, though, when you look at the high temperatures for this month, so far, we're running about 8 degrees below average. That is really, really cold stuff. And yesterday's high was only 18 degrees after a morning low of 4. That's in Boston. There were a lot of places that didn't even get into the teens. All right, right now, it's 28 degrees, which is a little bit of improvement over yesterday. The wind has been kind of busy today. It's finally starting to settle down. So we're going to be getting things a little bit milder tonight, but it's still another cold one out there for us. Snow, it's on our radar for Tuesday evening. Tomorrow night, we're going to see some snow coming in here just in time for your evening commute. And the weekend right now, temperature's going to get close to average, and it looks fairly dry right now. Monday may have a chance at seeing some rain or snow back into the forecast. All right, here's what's going on right now. You see this very broken storm out here to the west. That's that little Alberta Clipper coming through. But look what's happening out here in the Midwest. It's warm enough that it's actually in the form of some rain. There's actually been a lot of warm air out there. And even look at the current temperatures right now. Kansas City right now is still 66 degrees. We're sitting here at 28 degrees. But this warm air is not coming this way. Instead, we're getting this flow straight out of Canada. That's where the cold air is. Eventually, we may get into some of that warm air, but not right now. All right, let me show you what happens. Overnight tonight, not much going on. Tomorrow morning, maybe a little sunshine. Tomorrow afternoon, a lot of clouds. This is 2 o'clock. Here comes some snow. Works its way across the state. Should be in Boston around 5, 6 o'clock. Not a lot of snow, but it's happening right during the evening commute. So no doubt it is going to slow things down. Give yourself a little extra time. This will be with us through the evening hours, but I would say around midnight or so, we're kind of wrapping it up, and then maybe even ending as a little bit of rain down toward the islands where temperatures have warmed. So not getting as cold tomorrow night, and this is 3 o'clock in the morning. We're all done with it. As we head into Wednesday, we have sunshine in the morning, but there may be a few flurries that kind of flow through during the afternoon as some cooler air tries to work its way back in. So it's about a 1 to 3 inch snowfall total, more to the north, less to the south, and once you cross the border, 3 to 6 seems pretty likely, especially if you're headed up towards, say, Manchester or Concord. A good half foot of snow could fall up there. So tonight, mostly clear, some light winds. Lows should stay above 0. First time that's happened in a few days. 4 to 14 for your overnight low. And then tomorrow, a sunny start, but the clouds will thicken up, and we'll see some snow moving in here by 5 o'clock into Boston. Highs tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, 32 to 36. So we actually do get a little melting early in the day. So here's that snowmaker coming through, moves on out of here. It's not a very organized system. It's kind of weak, but once it goes over Halifax, it gets to be a big storm and strong storm, and it pulls in some cooler weather once again, which is why our temperatures won't go up. They're going to kind of hold steady or maybe even drop off a few degrees in the forecast. All right, here's the way it looks then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, evening snow, 34 degrees and a little sunshine first half of the day. Your Wednesday, there might be a few flurries floating around, but temperatures in the upper 30s, so some nice melting going on. If we get anything on Thursday, it would be just some coastal flurries. Temperature about 34 degrees. Friday's sunny and 34. There might be a few sprinkles or flurries on Saturday. Doesn't look like too much at all. Then we start warming up again. So Sunday we're in the upper 30s. Monday we're near 40. So when the next system comes in that has some punch to it, maybe next Monday, we might be dealing with more of a rain-snow situation as opposed to the snow that we're going to deal with tomorrow.